a couple boxes. Totally certified basketball. Starting off, you got Celtics Avery Bradley. Avery Bradley, number to 60. Boston Celtics. Got a rookie auto for the Grizzlies, Deontay Davis. Rookie for the Memphis Grizzlies, Deontay Davis. Base. Got a Nicholas Batum. Nicholas Batum. Rookie on the back, Demetrius Jackson for the Celtics. The Nicholas Batum's to 199. Number to 199. Got a camo, Demetrius Jackson, the Celtics. That is a camo, number to 25. Camo to 25. Got a John Wall for the Wizards, number 260. Rookie on the back, the Pelicans, Cheek Diallo. Got a jersey card for the Magic, Serge Ibaka. Orlando Magic, not numbered, Serge Ibaka. Base. Jersey relic for the Charlotte Hornets, Cody Zeller. Not numbered for the Hornets, Cody Zeller. Base. Last pack, box number 1. Got a Reggie Jackson, Detroit Pistons. That one, number 2, 199. Rookie on the back, the Raptors, Pascal Siakam. Here's our box 1, number 2. Box number 2. Rookie auto for the Brooklyn Nets, Isaiah Whitehead. Nets, Isaiah Whitehead. Base. Got a rookie Diamond Stone, the Clippers. That one numbered to 10. Got an Emerald Diamond Stone, numbered to 10 for the Clippers. Numbered to 10. Got a Indiana Pacer two-tone jersey, Jeff Teague. Pacers, Jeff Teague. Base. Got a rookie of Buddy Hield. The Pelicans, Buddy Hield. That one numbered to 99. Rookie on the back, Jamal Murray. Denver Nuggets. Got a Pelicans fabric of the game, Buddy Hield. Buddy Hield. Pelicans rookie jersey. Base. Got a Al Horford, the Boston Celtics. That one is number to 199, base on the back. Rookie auto for the Blazers, Jake Laham. Jake Laham for the Blazers. Base. Last pack, box number 2. Got a number to 189 for the Pacers, Miles Turner. 199, Miles Turner. On the back, you've got a rookie of Jaylen Brown for the Celtics. Finish out box 2. Box 2. Number 3, box 3. So after totally certified, we'll move into some contenders football. Contenders football. Rookie auto for the Detroit Pistons, Henry Ellenson. Henry Ellenson, Detroit Pistons. Base. Got a rookie jersey for the Warriors, Patrick McCaw. He was rookie last year, I think. Patrick McCaw for the jersey for the Warriors. Base. Got a Pelicans 199, Anthony Davis. Rookie on the back for the Pelicans, Cheap Diallo. Got a Jahlil Okafor, Philadelphia 76ers to 199. Got a Energizer for the Kings, Nate Archibald. Nate Archibald, that one is numbered to 10. Nate Archibald was the Sacramento Kings, numbered to 10. Got a rookie of Taurean Prince, the Atlanta Hawks. 199, Taurean Prince. Got another fabric of the game for the Pelicans, Buddy Hield. Your second one, Buddy Hield. Base. Last pack, box number 3. Got a rookie for the Warriors, Patrick McCaw. Patrick McCaw, rookie for the Warriors to 99. Rookie on the back, Pascal Siakam for the Raptors. One box to go. Then we'll move on to some contenders football. Got a Brooklyn Nets, Brock Lopez. Number to 199. Rookie auto. This one numbered to 10s. Jake Layman. Jake Layman for the Portland Trailblazers. Numbered to 10. Number to 10. Base with a Brandon Ingram. Brandon Ingram for the Lakers. Franchise foundations on the back. Got number 299, Dragan Bender. Rookie for the Phoenix Suns. Dragan Bender. Base. Rookie of Scal Labassery, the Sacramento Kings. Rookie on the back, Malcolm Brogdon. 199 for the Nets. Your Scal Labassery is numbered to 199. Got a camo to 25 for the Chicago Bulls, Jimmy Butler. Number to 25, Jimmy Butler. Energizer, John Wall, Washington Wizards. That one numbered to 99. My gosh, your third, Buddy Hield for the Pelicans. Your third relic. Base. Last pack finishing out. Totally certified. Got a Goran Dragic, the Miami Heat. Number 2, 199. You got on the back Patrick McCaw, rookie for the Warriors. Rookie for the Warriors. Finishing out totally certified basketball. Totally certified basketball.